Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan, Rahayu, Rahayu, Rahayu. Oke, good afternoon class.
Good afternoon.
How are you guys today?
I'm fine.
Okay.
And you, sir?
How about you,
I'm
sir?
fine too, thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for asking. Now we are gonna learn about written text.
Apa itu recon text, sir?
Written text is a text that retell story. Jadi written text itu adalah sebuah, namanya juga kan ada nih, ada pengulangan. Jadi kita mengulas cerita atau
Recount.
menceritakan ulang
Kaunya kan
kejadian.
menghitung, sir.
Apa?
Re kan mengulang, kaunya menghitung, sir.
Ya bukan, itu kalau diartikan secara perkata.
Ya, oke.
Jadi seperti itu. Nah,
Oke.
oke, lanjut coba. Oke. Nah, before we to the definition of the written text, before we break down what is a written text, I would like you to fill the missing words. Here is my fun day at the park. Anyone want to fill the first alinea of the paragraph?
Near, sir.
What is that?
Yang mana,
This
sir?
one. Yeah.
Faisal, sir Faisal.
Last Sunday, my friends and I go to
No.
the city park.
No.
Okay.
No,
No,
sir.
here is the word
When?
when.
It is when. It should be when, but give applause.
Oh, iya.
Everybody give applause.
Okay. Yay.
Okay, the second alinea. Who want to answer it?
Faisal, sir Faisal.
Okay, Faisal. Time is yours.
First, we played football together on the
Okay.
field.
Okay.
After that,
Eh?
we watched many beautiful flowers in the
But
garden.
the correct is so. So
Oh.
we saw many beautiful flowers in the garden. What?
Okay.
Yes.
Sama aja, sir.
Okay. Give applause
Oh,
for Faisal.
so.
Okay. This one. This is the word bank. Look at the
iya,
word
iya,
bank.
iya.
Okay. The last alinea. Who want to? Dimas. Come on.
Okay. Then we eat lunch under a big tree. We had a great time together.
We ate.
We ate lunch under big tree.
Yeah.
We had a great time together.
Okay, very good, Dimas. Give applause for Dimas. Next slide, please.
Yay.
Next slide.
Yay.
Kok nyuruh sih?
Okay, it is our learning objectives for today. So you can able to understand the definition of the written text, and you also can identify the social function of a written text. You can recognize the generic structure of the written text, and you are able to identify a language feature, the language feature of the written text. You also can write a simple written text after you already know these 4 steps.
Okay.
Okay, next slide. Okay, we move to the definition of written text. Who want to learn? Who want to read this definition?
Me.
Okay, Faisal, come on.
Recon text is a type of text that retells event
Uh-huh.
or experiences that
Experiences.
experiences that happen in the past.
Okay, anyone knows the meaning of this? Nia.
Artinya,
Uh-huh.
konteks adalah jenis teks yang menceritakan kembali sebuah peristiwa atau pengalaman yang sudah terjadi di masa lalu.
Oke.
Yay.
Okay, it is the purpose of the written text is to inform or to entertain the readers, para pembaca. Jadi untuk menginformasikan, untuk menghibur para pembaca dengan kita mendeskripsikan or by describing past event in chronological order. So, for example, it is the topic of the written text: holiday experience, school activities, personal experiences, and historical events. Okay, next slide, please. Okay, here is the social function. Actually, it is the same, like what is it? The purpose, but it is more breakdown what is a function in a social context.
Okay.
So in the social context or the social function, it is refers to the purposes of the text in a communication or why the text is written and what it tries to achieve for the reader. So here is the social function of the written text. There are 3. First is retell past events or experiences. The second is to inform readers about what happened, and the third is to entertain the readers. So written text focus on past activities and events. Next slide. Okay, here is the generic structure. The generic structure of the written text is atau strukturnya nih. Ketika kalian ingin menulis written text, kalian harus sangat memperhatikan 3 struktur ini. Pertama harus ada orientasi atau orientation, lalu event atau kejadian, lalu reorientation. Okay, next slide. Okay, first is orientation. The orientation is introduce the background information. It also answer a question like who was involved, where did it happen, and when did it happen. For example, of the orientation is last Sunday my friends and I went to the city park. Next slide. Here is the events. Okay, the event is tell the series of events in chronological order secara berurutan. For example, is first we play football together in the field. After that, we saw many beautiful flowers in the garden, and then we ate lunch under a big tree. We had a great time together. Next slide. So the reorientation, the last structure of the written text. The reorientation is the closing statement. It usually contains first your personal comment on that event or a story. So the feeling about the experience, your feeling about the experience. For example, in the sentences, it was a very fun day. It is a personal comment, and I will never forget it. It is a feeling about the experience. Next slide. It is the language feature. Don't forget, if you want to write a written text, you must use past tenses atau ya apa ya,
Past
kata
tense.
kerja bentuk kedua ya, past
Bentuk
tense.
lampau.
Bentuk lampau. For example, like when, visit, played. So don't forget also to use the time connectors. For example, like first, then, after that, finally, to put your story in chronological order.
Oh ya.
And the third is don't forget to use action verb like played, saw, ate, and the specific participant you should also mention. For example, like family, teacher, or friends. Next slide. Here is the example of a simple written text. Anyone wants to read this?
Yeah,
Okay, come on, Ian.
Right. My trip to the zoo. Last Sunday, my family and I went to the zoo. First, we saw many animals such as lions,
Okay.
elephants, and giraffes. Then we watched the animal show. After that, we had lunch together in the park. And finally, we went home in the afternoon. It was a very fun day.
Okay, give applause to Ian.
Yay.
Very good articulation. Next slide. So I have a writing practice for you.
Okay.
You also can use Padlet to write this.
Okay.
You can write a short written text about it is the topic, no? My unforgettable experience atau pengalaman yang tidak dapat terlupakan. Ini ada guidelines-nya juga. Hanya satu paragraf. Remember, it is a short
Oke.
written text.
Link Padletnya udah di-share sih.
Ya, udah share ya di grup ya.
Oke,
Nanti tinggal dibuka
siap.
aja ya. Terus use past tense and use time connectors. Is 15 minutes enough to write?
Enough.
Okay.
Nah,
Tapi sir kalau misalkan experience-nya feeling unspoken unforgettable nggak apa-apa sir.
Iya ya, karena kan itu tidak bisa diutarakan, berarti ya?
Iya, nggak
bisa
bisa diutarakan.
atau dikatakan lah, atau
Iya.
Kita
utterly
bisa
gitu.
blank aja.
Tapi kan itu bisa di write down. Nah, maka dari itu tulis karena ini unforgettable experience.
Benar.
You can write it down because you can ya unspoken kan. Jangan gitu. Oke, is it enough, guys? 15
Yes.
minutes. Oke.
Oke sir,
Finish.
thank you.
udah finish.
Okay, next slide. Alright, we can conclude that written text is used to retell past event or experiences or even the important points that you can highlight is first, written text also should have orientation, events, and reorientation. And don't forget use past tense, use time sequence or times connectors. Next slide. Okay, thank you so much. Any questions so far?
No.
No. Okay. So if there is no more question, let's say hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillah.
Okay, thank you for the attention, guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam, om, santi, om.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.